Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Max and I'm excited to introduce you the latest updates to our NLSQL chatbot designed specifically for the healthcare system. We understand the critical role that effective communication and data management play in healthcare, and we are committed to enhancing these through our advanced natural language processing technology. Our NLSQL chatbot leverages the power of AI to transform how healthcare professionals interact with data. With this update, we have focused on three main areas: improving accuracy, enhancing user experience, and expanding functionality. So let's have a look at our chatbot. After launching our chatbot, he's gonna greet us, of course, and we're gonna greet him as well. Just to type hey, and we're waiting for his reply. And our first task for our chatbot is going to be show me patient's stay by admission location. We're going to wait just for a sec for his reply, and then 3, 2, 1. Yeah, we've got subject ID, that's the ID of the patient, and admission location, and the middle chart column, it's the length of stay. We've got ID and the clinical units, departments, whatsoever, where the patients right now are. So we're gonna step up a bit and ask our chatbot to type and to show us the group bar chart with two different dependencies, and one of them is gonna be by complication type and the another one by admission location. That's what I would type in right now. And let's have a look what we've got. And here we are. We have y-axis, it's the average stay, and x-axis, it's for admission location. We've got four different columns, with the blue that none of the complications patient has, the red one complication, just like the complication of the diseases, the procedure complication with the green one, and the last one is the pregnancy complication. And each group bar chart, bear in mind, you can zoom in and have a look at the different departments. So in this case, we've got emergency room admits, and you can have different numbers in different departments with the different type of complications. As you see, you can choose whatever you want. You can choose whatever you want to zoom in, to zoom out, to add any type, to delete some complications if it bothers you in some case, or if it's not needed at this moment. That's why you can easily delete one of the column and then add these afterwards. The next task in regards to any research, any statistical data that you want to take out from the chatbot, you can ask him what are the most common 7. In this case, you can type any numbers you want, but the most common 7 downstream complications, and you can type any dependencies you want. Again, for average stay, in this case, we're gonna type again. Let's have a look at the emergency department if we took this example in the previous scenario. And we're gonna wait again, very small amount of time, just a few sec. And here we are. Yeah, we've got a few options that our chatbot has found for us. And we're gonna ask, that's just different complication. As you can see, the trachea complications, normal procedure complications, pregnancy, rubella, virus, mumps, CNS for the different devices, and lots of others. And we gonna take, for example, just in general complications that the patients might have had in the past in emergency department room. And we've got here top 7 downstream complications room. The first one is classified as the respiratory complications, with the average stay in the department 9.43. For the second place is for vascular complications, of other vessels with the average stay 9.23. And the third one, unexpectedly, iatrogenic cerebrovascular infarction for all hemorrhages with the average length of stay 8.79. And the fourth are the nervous system complication, CNS complications, iatrogenic pneumothorax, and urinary complications. So as you see, different complications, different reason and causes of these complications. And our next task is we're going to change just a bit. We're going to copy paste the previous message, and we're going to ask him for patients, not for average stay, but exactly for patients. And again, we're going to wait just a few seconds to make up our chart and spreadsheet. Yeah, and again, we've got a few options, and we have to choose general complications, like general number of complications, and we choose one out of lots of other options, just general complications, to be more specific, to be more precise in this case. And again, here we are, top 7 downstream complications, and this is the numbers of patients, how many patients have we had in the past. So in the first place, in this case, we've got the iatrogenic hypotension with 445 patients. And the second thought is the cardiac complications, not elsewhere classified, as we use the Mimic3 database. This is classified as a not elsewhere classified. And the third place, this similar to the first place, it's again iatrogenic complications. And the fifth place, again iatrogenic but cerebrovascular complications. So as you see here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 7 complications. It was caused by iatrogenic. It was the iatrogenic type of complications. So that's why you have to be aware that probably the biggest number of complications in your hospital might be caused by iatrogenic complications by doctors, by nurses, and any different type of procedures that you can have. And specifically for that reason, you have to have our chatbot, and you can use him as a statistical data board, as a research, as an assessment tool for your doctors, for average stay of patients, for different criteria that you may have and that you may find that you may need anytime. So I genuinely want to mention that these updates are just the beginning, and we are continuously working to refine and enhance our NLSQL chatbot to meet the evolving needs of the healthcare system and healthcare industry. Thank you for your time today, and we look forward to helping you transform our healthcare system and healthcare industry with NLSQL. Stay tuned for more exciting updates. Thank you.